everybody, this is Amber for Living Coast to Coast, and today we're going to show you how to add a awning screen to your awning.
So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and put the awning out. You're a thing, though.
No, it feels really good.
Like
yeah. Put out some more. Do more.
More.
Come on, watch out. Do some more.
A little more. What we're looking for is that little channel right there. So be visible. So the first thing we got to do is either get a ladder out or something so we can reach that. I'm just going to back the truck up.
No. Slide back in.
Next you got to try to take the cover off. Got one on the end there. Probably clipped in. Look at that.
Yep, they were clips.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Thought she was going to kiss it there for a minute. Okay, so we got the easy zip blocker from Carefree awnings. And what this is, got a piece we'll install that we can leave installed and not have to worry about it. And just unzip part of it instead of trying to do this whole process every single time.
Anything else comes with.
Oh, it came with a couple things. We bought better ones.
Yeah. Even though I hate reading manuals, sometimes you just gotta do it.
Open that up.
Huh?
There you go.
There we are. Zip up.
It. I want to install it with the logo out, I guess, but not really because of the logo. But because that way the zipper's on the inside. So hopefully this is super easy. Just slide this up into the slot.
We're recording.
Glad we ain't gonna do this every single time.
Yeah. Yep. Ready?
Ready?
Yep. Are you good?
Yeah.
Yay!
One clip on each side in the back, and then two on the end. So these look like they latch, so it's probably just had to pry there and pry on the other side to get that to come off. But now we know. Oh, and you know. So if you have this kind, you can do it after watching this beautiful video, and you don't risk damaging yours.
Hey,
So now we're gonna zip this.
The end over there uncovered?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's where it starts.
So I guess what we got to do are you focused and is it light enough where you can see it? Okay, we'll slide this on.
Then zipper.
Zip it across. What you normally do is you take this with the rope. You saw the rope and stake that came with it. Stake it to the ground out from the RV a little bit. and it helps keep this from flopping, but it also helps the awning a little bit with a little bit of wind, not a whole lot. What we got is, instead of just a regular pounding stake, one that'll twist in, so they'll stay, and they've got a spring to give a little bit, and then there's also an adjusting strap, or they call it a tension buckle. So I think this is a good idea.
Nom nom, and ate it like a sandwich.
Amber says it ate it like a sandwich. I guess she's hungry.
Yeah. Back to how to. Now we're going to show you how to fold your second half to your awning. So it's simple. Just throw it in the ball, put it away. No, just kidding. We trying to be professional here. We're not. So simple. Put the two ends, grab the bottom, flip. Wrong direction. Bring it to me. It's touching the ground. You're fired. Wow. Grab the bottom. Pull it out. Nice. No, look at the bottom. Look at it work. After we're done with this, I'll expect your resignation. You're fired. Okay, pull the bottom again.
I think you should have done it lengthwise one more time, but that's okay. See if it fits.
For those of you watching at home, if you'd like to be a part of this YouTube channel, she is fired, and we're gonna need another hand over here at How To. So, just hit me up in the DMs. No resume needed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, go down below my face and slap that like button. Also, while you're down there, be sure to comment down below, tell us what you thought, and subscribe, join the fam, hit the post notification bell, that way you never miss an upload if you have not already. Share with your friends all around the world, because you never know if they'll need something just like this. Also, if you want to purchase this or anything that we showed to you in this video, review, installation, click the affiliate link in the description, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you. Bye. Safe travels. I have to go shopping. Goodbye. Almost forgot. Hey, Dad, can I have some money, preferably your entire credit card, or in the truck and your driver's license?
No.